Hey guys, John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Audio-Technica ATH WS990BT. It's a pair of over-the-ear wireless headphones with an MSRP of $250. It may not be the top-shelf offering from Audio-Technica, but certainly something that targets the mainstream consumer. You get a sense of that because it features noise cancellation and also a hear-through function that allows users to adapt to all sorts of listening conditions. The WS990BT has a meticulous looking design. It's supported by this aluminum frame, and the headphones aren't terribly heavy considering the size, but it is without question on the larger side. Still, the overall construction exudes a premium quality that makes it a pleasure to wear. In fact, you have ample cushioning around the ear cups and also the headband. It also helps that there's some leeway with the headband because it flexes. All of the headphones controls are integrated into the left ear cup, which consists of a multi-toggle switch. You have a power button, a touch-sensitive noise cancellation pad, a micro USB port, and an auxiliary jack. With the touch-sensitive pad, it cycles through the noise cancellation and hear-through functionality, but with the latter, it essentially allows ambient noise to enter the ear cups freely. There's really no amplification like we get in other implementations. Those who are fond of headphones that focus on the lower audio ranges will especially take a liking to the WS990BT's audio quality, as it very much caters to that demographic. It's not terribly overwhelming like some other headphones in its caliber, but still noticeably on the bass-heavy side. The mids and highs aren't as prioritized, but they are not totally drowned out either. And at the loudest volumes, the headphone still packs quite a punch. Sporting a $250 price point, its design surely ensures it's worth the cost alone, but it would be nice to see some additional features considering that other comparable models offer more features, like noise amplification and custom equalizer settings. Yes, the Audio-Technica ATH WS990BT is a stylish looking pair of headphones that means serious business. For the casual audiophile, it surely suffices, but as we mentioned already, the price could have squeezed in a few more luxuries into the package. And that is a quick look at these headphones, guys. If you want to learn more about them, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.